also that giving up a foul to just give 2 free throws is also in play.
Ginamit na nila kanina. Let's see if they do it again. So si Ranidel nagbabalik nga para dito kay Japet Aguilar. Hindi, si LA ang pumasok dun. So it was LA coming in for Japet. 5 guards para kay Coach John Reyes. Looking for the 3. David kontra Casio. They go to Chan. He puts it up. Jeff Chan at the buzzer. 6 tenths remain on the clock. What a shot para kay Jeff Chan.
You know, they're just, people here in Digos are experiencing firsthand Philippine basketball at its best. I mean, when it comes to, you know, pressure pack situations, big baskets. Napapanood lang nila sa TV. You see here, Gary David, Jeff Chan popping out, taking his time, realizing he had time to get that pick off. And it's all net for Jeff Chan.
A cold-blooded 3 mula dito kay Jeff Chan.
Pero meron pa 6 tenths of a second na natitira.
Let's see what Coach Luigi has in turn. Anong isusukli ni Coach Luigi Trillo? This will be the last 6 tenths if we end in a tie.